Did you know the Earth actually breathes? And yes, we can hear it. It's caused by tiny pressure waves in the atmosphere. Scientists recorded this low hum, and it's coming from the entire planet. They call it a microseismic hum. Too low for human ears, but with special equipment, it sounds like this. Before we go deeper, hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. This hum helps scientists study earthquakes, volcanoes, and even the Earth's inner core, all without digging a hole. So next time you're outside, remember, the planet is never truly silent.